Shaded Seas is a work we developed for the Science Gallery specifically, and it talks about how the power of reducing plastics is in our hands. So what I want to do is the moment people start interacting with the work, they enter it, they play with it, and you see it moving at their fingertips. And at that moment they realize that it's actually sticking to their fingers. It's in their hands to make a change. What you see floating inside is the plastic that's coming from the great garbage patch floating in front of Hawaii. So it's actual ocean plastic. 10% of all the plastic is ending up in our oceans, and that's a lot if you consider it's 250 billion tons produced every year. So we're turning these facts into feelings. And that's, I guess, what awareness art is, and something we try to do in a digital and interactive way where we combine science and art.